this is an exciting video, and let me tell you why. This here has been one of my unboxing knife, and this thing as well. These are not unboxing knives, these are kitchen knives. They don't belong here. And although I haven't gotten an unboxing knife, but I did get one of my favorite knives, and let me show you what that is. So in my previous video that I just shot, I actually opened this thing up. So this is a fastback Milwaukee utility knife with a screwdriver here. So one of my favorite thing to carry around the job site all day, every day. This is something I got for the studio, so this is gonna live in the studio and it will not get out of the studio, because every time anything does, I always lose it. So I'm planning to leave this in the studio. So yeah, it's gonna stay like that. So let me open this up and show you guys what it is. So I'm gonna actually open it up with my fastback Milwaukee utility knife here. So let me show you guys how buttery smooth this is. Like, you ever opened any of these annoying package and like it's just so hard to get through because like the plastic is super hard? If you ever use Milwaukee blades, you will never ever go back to anything else ever again. I mean, unless there's a bunch of other stuff, I guess, but with like these two brands, these are the best, I'm telling you. So there we go. I just opened two sides and alright. So this is the knife. Check that out. This thing looks amazing. Just look at that. So it's a really nice knife here. It's a very strong stainless steel blade, and I think it's coated with something, probably some sort of oil. And yeah, you just gotta keep it nice and clean like this. All my knives got like tape residue all over it. It's really important to keep your knives clean. I picked this model for a specific reason, and that's don't know why it doesn't work, but wait, this is supposed to be a fastback, but for some reason you also have to do this. This is why I kind of avoided the other one, but yeah, I think the fastback function here is a little messed up. Yeah, this thing gotta be returned. But the way that this is... Wait, is this working now? I'm confused. I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh no, it's not working. So basically what the fastback function does is you basically press this button here and this part would go down, and then it will let you close the knife just like that. You see the fastback button pop back up, so you can turn it back up just like that. I think this is purposefully built like this, so you don't actually cut your finger, because the fastback thing, basically what it does is, let me show you guys with this one. So you can open this just like this, and you can also close it just like that, So let me see if the button stays stuck here. No. So the button actually locks this thing, right? And then you press the button and it locks up like that. So I got used to these because I've been using this forever. So when you press the button, I always keep my fingers away, obviously. But I guess to prevent injuries, this is how they did this. If any of you guys have this knife, please let me know if yours is like this too. It's like, yeah, I would have to push this in and then push this in. So I don't know, it's just an extra step. I don't really like it. But opening it very easy, because I guess it's the other motion and you can't really cut yourself like that, but opening it is super easy. But I guess it's a little bit like not too thing like that one. But yeah, it's a very nice looking knife. I'm probably gonna return this and grab another one, just to see if this is how it's supposed to be. But yeah, it's pretty cool, nice, and it should be very sharp. Let me cut something for you guys. Now this is the packaging this thing came with. So compare it with this one. It's pretty sharp because both cut around the same kind of way, with the same force. So this thing is really sharp, just so you know. So it's pretty sharp. Very, it's gonna be plenty for opening packages and stuff like that. So you guys will see this on the next videos. If this thing even doesn't, work the way, I don't really mind, because I mean, how often am I really gonna close and open this anyway, right? This is not traveling with me. So cool stuff. I really like it. This is the product. This is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.